Hello friends, welcome all of you to the Multiple Information Center. Today I am going to discuss about push-up exercise. Before proceeding, I would like to inform you that I am not a gym trainer. I am only your well-wisher. Friends, I am requesting from all of you kindly listen to it from start to finish. During this, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and push bell icon button for further notification. Okay friends, now come to the point. Friends, in today's modern life, man is leaving his health behind because some people are busy in office work and some people are doing some business and some people are busy in studying. 10 to 12 hours spent on office, business and studying. For good health, 6 to 10 hours spent for sleeping and remaining 5 to 6 hours used for daily work routine. End of the day, men said, we have no time how to go to the gym for workout, and some people said we have no spare money how to go to the gym for spend money for good wealth. Keeping all these things in mind, one day I was thinking about that. Suddenly I have clicked an idea. That's what push-up exercise. If due to time constraints and due to financial constraint you missing workout, push-up is a best option. In any corner of your bedroom or living room, you can do it, and you will take 5 to 10 minutes only from your precious time and complete it. Push-up is a first choice of young generation. Boys and girls all can do it easily. If you want to good health and handsome looking, we need to do it regularly. No need to go to the gym for push-up exercise, and no need separate place for push-up exercise. You can do it anywhere, anytime, according to your convenience. We need to do minimum 40 to 50 push-up without missing. If you want to looking handsome, so you need to do do push-up exercise daily basis without any missing. Now I want to disclose about benefit of push-up. Push-up, if you do push-up regularly, you get full body strength, your chest developed, and increase your arms, muscles and strength. Very useful of heart disease. Now I am trying to how to do push-up. Please see it carefully. As you see, it is push-up instrument. It is push-up instrument. Now we can, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, हमें धरती के समांतर इस तरीके से हो जाना है और अभी हमारा पूरे बॉडी का वेट इन दोनों बाजुओं पे है और हमें ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि हमारा जो बॉडी है इन दोनों बाजुओं के बीच में होना चाहिए। अब हम इसे अप डाउन करके 30 से 40 पुशअप डेली बेसिस पे कर सकते हैं। जैसे देख सकते हैं आप, पुश अप, पुश अप। इसी तरीके से हम इसको डेली 40 से 50 पुशअप करके अपने पूरे बॉडी को फिट रख सकते हैं। इसके लिए हमें जिम जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई सेपरेट जगह की भी ज़रूरत नहीं। कहीं भी घर में आप किसी भी बेडरूम में, लिविंग रूम में, कहीं भी 5 से 10 मिनट समय व्यतीत करके आप इसको कर सकते हैं और अपनी बॉडी को फिट रख सकते हैं। चलिए दोस्तों, मैं आपका ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा। मेरे इस वीडियो को ध्यानपूर्वक सुनने के लिए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और बेल बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि इन फ्यूचर मैं कोई वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा तो आप तक नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच जाएगा। चलिए, आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी। धन्यवाद। कट।